A strop is a very handy circular device made of rope, line, or webbing. Frequently used to facilitate the lifting of loads or to create a temporary attachment point on a cable or spar, strops can be made in any size and knotted together very quickly in an emergency. The most reliable strops, however, are those that are spliced together, but the procedure is a little complex, as you will see in these instructions. To make a strop for a specific situation, you should first make a pattern from light line to identify the length of rope needed. The working loop should extend no more than 4 inches from the bite. After identifying the size, measure your pattern and add about 1 foot to the length of the rope for splicing. To make your strop, open 6 inches of rope at each end. Now, and this is a very important instruction for making a secure strop, before you start to splice, you must put 3 full back twists, that is, against the lay, into one end of the rope. This step will compensate for the tendency of the rope to twist during splicing. If you don't do this, your strop will roll up after its first or second use and become useless. Begin to splice or marry by taping one set of 3 strands to the standing part of the other rope to keep the 2 ends tightly together. Take your other 3 strands and begin splicing as usual. In other words, over one and under one, turn, and follow with over one and under one, turn again, and place the strand over one and under one. Don't forget to twist the strands as you pull them through. After you've made a set of 3 tucks, snug them up by pulling and twisting. Be sure the tucked strand is at right angles to the standing strand, or the splice will be triangular instead of round. Also, don't pull too much or the splice will deform. After 3 sets of tucks, remove the tape from the other end and begin to splice in the other direction. By now you will see that the back twist you applied is starting to straighten out. When you're finished, the ends may be tucked and cut or dogged.